Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. I'm going a little bit harder than I usually do, dropping these videos back to back, because I'm planning on doing my thing for Father's Day tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't gonna have time to get these videos up, so I might as well just knock them out now. I'm looking at the box. You got the orange box, you got just the OG box, you know what I'm saying? Orange and white, pretty simple, nothing special about it. So what we got is the Nike Air Max 98 AOP in white, team orange, and black. The AOP stands for all over print. Now these retail for $160. White paper, get to the kicks. Here it is, the Air Max 98 AOP. Dope colorway, nice little rendition of the shoe. Now this is a pack that's being released. They have this colorway, which is the white, team orange, and black, and they have another colorway, which is khaki, team orange, and medium olive. You know what I mean? So it's two dope shoes. Something nice for the people. You know what I'm saying? You see the sole, you got the black sole, orange Nike check under the bottom. See the air unit, you got the black and white pattern all across the top. Pretty dope shoe to me, man. You know what I'm saying? As a look at the top, you see the Air Max on the tongue, you got the white laces. It's pretty dope, man. On the inside, you got your Nike Air, of course. Ain't too much more that I could really say about it, man. Now this was released to celebrate the 20th anniversary of the Air Max 98. Now it's supposed to be limited edition. It's not gonna be, I don't know, maybe not. They try to hype some of these shoes up, man, to make you try to run out there and get them. But this is supposed to be a limited edition sneaker, so looking around, the shoe is filled with the monochromatic black and white graphics, got the bright orange swoosh. It's dope, man. It's dope to me, man. Like I said, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You not? Think they trash? Can't wait to grab you a pair? Let me know what's up. Like I say, I think they dope. Clean, different colorway. Nice little texture. There's a look at the Air Max with the two-tone on the tongue. Pretty dope, man. On the inside, you see the Nike in orange. Like I say, real dope shoe, man. Real smooth. There's like a nubuck or whatever. You see, you got the, look like it might be 3M on the lace straps. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. There's the pull tab in the back. I think it might be 3M on that too, the stripe. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, man. Like I said, I'm rushing through these, man. I'm trying to get this content out to y'all, man, because I got a long day ahead. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to celebrate me and my baby, you know what I mean? It's Father's Day. Oh, happy Father's Day to you fathers out there too, man. You know what I'm saying? The real fathers only. Because if you got kids, man, and you ain't doing what you do, you got some soul searching to do, you know what I'm saying? But that was my look at the Air Max 98 AOP all over print. Follows on Instagram at PetlersAv504. Hit the subscribe button, turn notifications on, and I'ma holler back.